Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So to start out this video, I'm going to clip up each section of hair and get started on my first section by applying heat protectant to my hair. I've already washed and added leave-in conditioner to my hair, so I did that off camera. So I'm just going to apply my heat protectant, detangle my hair, and then blow dry. After I detangle my first section, I'm going to begin working on my next section, repeating those same steps, applying my heat protectant, detangling, and then blow drying. I'm going to do that throughout my whole head until my whole head is blow dried. So after I blow dried all of my hair, I'm going to create a small box section in the front of my head to create a design that I was thinking of in my head. My parts aren't super straight, but you know, I did the best I can. If you have any tips for me to get better at my parting, please comment down below what you do to get clean parts. So after I clip away that section, I'm going to be using Texture ID's styling cream. I've used this product in another video, and I really like the way my hair looked, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of the styling cream to my hair and then Bantu knot my hair. It's important not to use too much cream because you don't want your hair to revert. So I'm applying just a little bit to my ends and along the shaft of my hair, and then I'm going to Bantu knot my hair. And to keep my Bantu knots in place, I'm going to be using a rubber band. I hate that I use rubber bands because I couldn't find my bobby pins until after my hair was complete. So if you have bobby pins, please use them because rubber bands are not where it's at. So after I Bantu knotted all in my hair, I'm going to take out the section that I put away and make a middle part and then split each part in half. To lay my edges down, I'm using Cream of Nature's Extra Hold Edge Control. I mean, I'm actually surprised that it actually kept my edges laid, because usually when I use it on my natural curly hair, I'll put it on and then 2 seconds later my hair will curl up. After I put the edge control on my hair, I'm going to rubber band the first 2 sections. Then I'm going to twist and then connect it to the back side on the right hand side. So I'm going to take the front section from the far left and bring it to the back of the far right section, if that makes any sense. You can just watch what I'm doing. After I make the X with my hair, I'm going to add my Texture ID styling cream, and then I'm going to Bantu knot the hair that is left out. I wanted to make my style look a little bit more interesting, so I added some hair jewelry. This part is optional. So after I did that, I sat under a hooded dryer for about 30 minutes, and I took off the rubber bands off camera because it hurt really bad. I didn't want you to see me in pain, y'all. So I applied some oil to my hands, and I'm going to take down each Bantu knot and separate each curl as carefully as I can, trying not to create any frizz. To lay my edges, I use Eco Styler gel and then wrap my edges before sitting under the hooded dryer. So after taking out each Bantu knot, this is what my hair is looking like. I wasn't really feeling the style too much, so I decided to put it into 2 puffs, leaving out some strands on each side. Decided to take 2 of my hair jewelries from my ex and put it on the strands of hair, just to make it look a little bit more noticeable. So this is the final look. I'm giving you Mickey Mouse Clubhouse vibes. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss anything that I post. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace.